Hi everyone. So we will discuss another worksheet for civil service exam. Okay, so numerical ability worksheet number 3A. So this is all about PEMDAS or order of operations. So PEMDAS, ibig sabihin parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, and division. From left to right ang multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction from left to right then. Okay, so meron tayong 10 items. So medyo madali lang itong worksheet 3A natin. So mga basic lang, wala pa tayong mga exponent and parentheses. So tatlong part ito. So meron tayong worksheet 3B and 3C. So pahirap ng pahirap. So itong first worksheet natin about PEMDA. So mga basic lang. Okay? So let's start. So number 1, we have 36 divided by 9 times 2. So medyo yung iba nalilito dito sa PEMDAS gawa nung pagkakasunod. Nung pagkakasulat kasi, PEMDAS, so, nauna yung multiplication sa division, tapos addition sa subtraction. Pero yung multiplication and division, tapos addition and subtraction, hindi automatic multiplication ang una. So ang sinusunod natin dyan ay left to right. Okay? So left to right yung multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. So for number 1, nauna kasi yung division. Okay, so parehas lang yan yung multiplication and division. Parehas lang sila ng kung ang susundin natin left to right, kung alin man ang mauna sa kanila. Okay? So nauna ang division, so uunahin natin yung division bago yung multiplication. So 36 divided by 9, so this is equal to 4, and then tsaka natin i-multiply sa 2, so 4 times 2, so the final answer is equal to 8. Okay, so next, number 2. So 72 minus 7 plus 3. So from left to right tayo, so hindi din automatic na una tong addition. So left to right tayo. Okay, so left to right, so unahin natin itong 72 minus 7. So 72 minus 7, that is equal to 65. So 65, and then add natin itong 13. So 65 plus 13, so that is equal to, so pwede nang i-mental yan, 6 plus 1, 7, and then 5 plus 3, we have 8. So final answer is 78. Then for next number, number 3, so 8 times 9 divided by 6. So multiplication and division, so unahin itong multiplication, tapos tsaka itong division. So 8 times 9 muna tayo, so that is equal to 72, and then divided by 6. So 72 divided by 6, so kaya na bang i-mental yan? Ang 60 ay 10, meron pa tayong 12 na natira, so yung 12 divided by 6, that is equal to 2. So therefore, 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12. Okay? So next number, so we have 21 plus 27 minus 13. So unahin natin itong left to right, addition muna. So 21 plus 27, so 2 plus 2, we have 4, and then 1 plus 7, we have 8. So 48 minus 13. So 48 minus 13, so that is equal to, so 4 minus 1 is 3, 8 minus 3 is 5, so equals 35. Next number. So parang warm up lang ito sa order of operations natin or yung PEMDAS dahil kaunti lang yung mga operations natin. So dito sa 5 to 8, so meron lang tayong dalawa dito, and then tigtatlo na dito. Ayan, parami na ng parami. So pag dumadami, doon na minsan na nalilito. So wala pa naman tayong parenthesis and exponent. So MDAS lang tayo dito. So MDAS lang itong worksheet 3A natin. So unahin natin ang multiplication and division. So from left to right, so unahin natin itong division bago itong multiplication. So 54 divided by 9. So eksakto naman, 54 divided by 9, that is equal to 6. And then tsaka natin i-multiply itong 7. 6 times 7 equals 42. Okay, so final answer is 42. So next, number 6. So ano yung mga operations natin? So we have division, addition, and multiplication. So unahin natin yung multiplication or division. Okay? So sa ganito, nakahiwalay naman yung plus yung nasa gitna, no? So pwede nating pagsabayin itong division tsaka multiplication. Okay? So dahil parehas naman ang order yan, division and multiplication. So pwedeng left to right yan. So dahil magkahiwalay naman sila, pwede na nating pagsabayin. Magkahiwalay kasi sila, may positive sa gitna. Okay, so we have 52 divided by 4. So kung kaya nyong i-mental, okay, i-mental. Madali lang naman yan. 13 lang ang sagot dyan. So Ayan, divide natin. 52 divided by 4. We have 5 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 2. 12 divided by 4, we have 3. Okay, so 3 times 4, that is equal to 12. So therefore, the answer to this is 13. And then just copy the sign plus. So sabi ko nga kanina, ang division at multiplication pwedeng pagsabayin kung magkahiwalay sila. May plus kasi sa gitna. So pagsabayin na natin, so we have 3 times 8, so that is equal to 24. And then finally, i-add na natin 13 plus 24. So the final answer is 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 3 plus 4, 7, 37. Okay, so next number 7. So tingnan ng operation, unahin ang multiplication at division, tapos left to right. Okay, so dito hindi natin pwedeng pagsabayin ito. Kagaya nitong 6 pinagsabay natin kasi nagkahiwalay sila. Dito magkadikit. Minus, ayan, 4 times 4 divided by 2. So ibig sabihin, unahin muna natin itong multiplication muna tayo, left to right. Hindi pwedeng pagsabayin. Okay? So kopyahin lang yung iba. So 24, kopyahin lang yan. So we have minus, so 4 times 4, that is equal to 16, and then divided by 2. Okay, so M-DAS tayo. So uunahin ng division bago itong subtraction. So 16 divided by 2, the answer to that is 8. And then kopyahin lang natin yung 24 and the minus sign. So final answer, 24 minus 8 is equal to 16. Okay. So next, so we have 8 times 7 minus 6 plus 32 divided by 4. So unahin ang multiplication and division from left to right. So we have multiplication and then division. Kagaya ng number 6, magkahiwalay sila. May negative tsaka positive pa sa pagitan nila. So pwede na natin pagsabayin yan. Okay? Pagsabayin na natin, kopyahin na lang yung mga nasa gitna. So 8 times 7, that is equal to 56. Then just copy negative 6. And then this positive, kopyahin lang natin yung positive. So 32 divided by 4, that is equal to 8. And then left to right na ulit tayo. So 56 minus 6 muna ang unahin natin. 56 minus 6, so that is equal to 50. And then plus 8. So final answer, 50 plus 8 is equal to 58. Okay. So last set, so number 9 and 10. So ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. So unahin lang ang multiplication and division. So we have, ayan yung division, and then itong multiplication. Meron tayong nasa pagitan na plus, plus may minus pa dito. So magkahiwalay ang division and multiplication. So pagsabayin na natin ang pag-evaluate para makatipid tayo ng space. Okay, so therefore we have 18 divided by 9. So eksakto siya. So that is 2. So kopyahin lang natin itong plus, and then we have 5 times 8. So 5 times 8, that is 40. And then just copy negative 7. And then left to right tayo, addition and subtraction na lang ang natira. So left to right, 2 plus 40, that is equal to 42, and then minus 7. So final answer, 42 minus 7, that is equal to 35. So last number, number 10, 63 divided by 9, plus 7 times 7 minus 10. So again, magkahiwalay ang division at saka yung multiplication. May plus tayo sa gitna. So pagsabayin na ulit natin ito. And then copy the rest. 63 divided by 9, that is equal to 7. And then we have, just copy the plus sign. And then 7 times 7, so that is equal to 49. And then just copy negative 10. So left to right tayo, addition and subtraction ang natira. So 7 plus 49, that is equal to 56. So last step, 56 minus 10, final answer is equal to 46. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan yung explanation natin sa PEMDAS. So ito ay napaka-basic lang. Wala pa tayong parentheses and exponent. So sa susunod na worksheet natin na 2B, meron ng parentheses and exponent. So kita-kita tayo sa susunod na worksheet natin. So good luck sa lahat ng nag-review para sa civil service exam. Bye-bye and God bless.